my head. I'm doing a partial wig for my head. So this is pretty much what I do. So the part that I want to keep out, I measure it. So from here to here is about 6.5 inches, and then from here to where I want it to stop is about 6 inches. So what I do, I get my girl, and then I get me a marker. I measure from here to here. That's what I said, right? Yeah. From here to here was 6. So I mark it here, mark it here. And then from here to here was about 6.5. So I mark it here and there. Let's double check. In fact, let me start at the 1 point mark. And then, I guess I'm gonna okay, so when I do that, I kind of create a circle. Okay, so right here, I am creating the circle, which is going to be the perimeter of my head that I am going to be covering. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying as far as like how to measure it. This is how I do all my partial wigs. I start off by measuring the area of my head and then measuring my mannequin so that I make sure that it fits properly. Okay, so right here I was trying on the stocking because I wasn't really sure if I wanted to use it from the front or from the back, if I want to use the bigger holes or the smaller one. I was trying to figure it out. But it's happened that the lining of the stocking on the inside was about the same measurement as my head, so I just used that as a guide. And what I did was crochet the hair. Right now I'm crocheting and braiding it because I'm gonna do one just to see what it looks like. But I'm gonna crochet going all the way around their perimeter first, and then once I finish crocheting, then I'll just braid. So yep, I'm just braiding, and I add hair towards the end to make it a little bit longer. This wig literally took me about 5 days to complete, only because I was doing it in between clients, and yeah, I was just taking my time. It wasn't really no rush. But if you want me to make you one, I can. I can get it done in like 2 days. I braid really fast. Also, I'm not sure if you see my birthday vlog, which is like the video before this one. I redid this wig and actually made it into a ponytail. Like I cut it off, glued it. I didn't even record it, but cut them and glued it up into a ponytail to create my birthday hairstyle. Pretty cool. Go check it out. So yeah, this was the next day. I braided them halfway, and then later on that day, I just added the ends, and so it could be longer because I wanted it to be like all the way down to my knees. At first it was until I added the beads, but it was pretty long. This is after I dip it in hot water, added the length, and then dip in hot water. This is how long it was. Like I said, it got shorter once I added the beads, but yep. I added the beads one by one because I wanted to customize the color and I wasn't really sure how I wanted them to lay. This is me showing you my hair, how short it is, and this heavy ass wig. Like, this was the heaviest wig I've ever made. The beads made it super heavy. I had to add extra stocking on the bottom so that because the net was like too weak, so I didn't record that part, sorry. But this is me gluing the hair. Before y'all say anything, I already know that I'm supposed to put a protective shield on my hair, but I know how to remove the glue properly, so don't do this if you don't know how to remove the glue. While I was putting the hair on, I had to like stretch the stocking because it kind of shrank a little bit. So I was like pulling it, to cover the area that I measured earlier, pulling it and just gluing it and blow drying it down. Y'all, this wig was so heavy. Like, I don't understand. But right here is me gluing some more in the corner, and I'm going to be spreading it so it could be even and not too clumpy. I was trying not to put a lot of glue, but I had this wig on for about 5 days straight, so I needed enough glue for it to stay on. And then I spray spritz on there because it dries faster, and I was in a rush. I had to go to the airport like right after I did this. It took me a total of about 15 minutes to install the wig on my hair. I love how it came out. Like it did not move anywhere. Like I had it on for about 5 days and it stayed on the whole time. I had to use glue remover to get it off. So it held up pretty good.